If you want to activate Gemini on Realme GT 8 Pro, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. By default, you can simply press and hold the power button, and if you hold it for a couple of seconds, you should be able to activate Gemini, just like that. Besides that, we can also find the app in the app drawer. It should be pre-installed, so you can tap over here in order to open the Gemini app, and then you can use it. We have a bunch of different tools in here and options that can be quite useful. Now, in addition to that, there is also a gesture, so you can swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner towards the center of the screen. And this also allows you to easily activate Gemini, as you can see now. And there is the voice recognition. So if you set up the voice match, you can say, "Hey Google" out loud in order to activate Gemini. To do so, you need to open settings, scroll down in here and go to Google. Then we can go to all services. Next, we need to scroll down and find search assistant and voice. Then go to Google Assistant in here and then tap on voice match, and we need to turn this option on. If you activate it for the first time, you will have to say a couple of sentences out loud to be able to set it up, of course. Subscribe to my channel.